Higgsfield just put their AI plugin directly inside Adobe, right inside Premiere Pro and After Effects. What it does exactly, basically Higgsfield added 5 AI features that will live inside one small panel. From that single panel, you can literally upscale your clips, you can remove the backgrounds, even you can reframe your videos for any platform. Even you can draw on a clip just to edit that, and even you can generate clips just by typing what you really want. Everything happens right inside your editing panel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install and use this plugin inside your Premiere Pro. So without wasting more time, let's get into it. So first of all, in here, as you can see, I'm on Higgsfield AI, and from here, I'll simply go to the plugins, and here you can see that I can easily download the plugin in my device. So if you're a Mac user, you simply have to download this plugin, and then if you open that .dmg file, you have to just install that, and after installation, you'll see that the plugin will be added successfully with your Premiere Pro. But if you are a Windows user like me, in that case, first of all, just download this plugin. So after downloading, you'll not able to install that. So for that, you have to also install this installer that is called GXP or UXP installer, and I had given the link in the description. So in here, you have to just install that for your Windows. When you just open that for the first time, it will show you something like this. So after that, you have to just go to the file, and then you have to just go to open, and then you have to open the plugin installer that you downloaded from here, basically this one. And what's gonna happen if you just open this, as you can see, it's saying me, do you want to install this for Premiere Pro? And if I go with install, then it will take some minutes to install that. So in this case, I already installed that, so that's why I don't need to install this thing again. So after installation, when you open the Premiere Pro for the first time, it will show something like this. Okay, and from here, we only have to go to the Windows section, and then we have to go to the extension, and here you can see the Higgsfield plugin in here. And if I just click here, as you can see that we can literally do stuffs with our Higgsfield. When you just open that for the first time, it will ask for to log in with your Higgsfield account. You only have to just go to allow, and that's all it is. So as I already told you, through this plugin, we can literally upscale videos, or we can edit videos, or if you want, we can generate videos from text or from photos. So let's go with the generation at first. So in this case, as you can see, there's a small command box, and here we only have to give the prompt. So let's give a prompt like this: a 26-year-old Asian man wearing a black suit coat, walking alone with a red briefcase on a main road in Tokyo, Japan. Okay, and here we can choose that which model we want to go with. Let's go with Series 2.0, and here we can also change the ratio. Do you want to go with like 6:9 or like 9:16? And again, you can see there are other ratios, and also if we want, we can change the duration. So basically in this case, I want to go with 5 seconds, but here you can go with maximum 15 seconds, and the minimum is like 4 seconds. And here also we can change the resolution. You can go with 480 pixel or 720 pixel or 1080 pixel. And also you can change the mode. Basically, do you want to go with action, horror, comedy? But in this case, I choose here auto, and after that only have to go with generate. So here you can see the generation has been started. So after the generation, we can add this video just in here. So if you're editing videos for yourself or maybe for someone else, and you need to use the b-rolls in your videos, you can understand that now it's very easy to use, because in previous time you have to go to in different platforms, and then you have to find out the perfect b-rolls. Or if you're using AI tools to generate the b-rolls, in that case you have to go to this exact AI tool through the browser or like maybe through the software, and then you have to give the prompt, and then you have to get the video, and after that you have to download the video, and then you have to upload that inside your Premiere Pro. But right now, through this plugin, it's very easy to use. Only you have to just give the prompt in here, and you can see that the video is ready. Only you have to drag and drop just inside here. You can see how easy it is. And if I show the video, you can see that the video is in very good quality. Even in this 5-second video, you can see all of the elements are very detailed and realistic. It's very hard to identify that this video has been generated through AI. So in here, if I want, I can also edit the video, as I already told you. So just to show you, let me just upload the video at first, and then let me just choose that what kind of things I can do. As you can see, I can draw to a video, I can edit the video, I can remove the background, I can generate images, I can upscale, or I can generate video, I can reframe that. So let's go with edit the video, and here's the video in here. And in this case, I can go with draw to video. So if I want to specifically draw an element, so that element will be changed. If I want to reframe that, for that case I'll go with reframe. If I want to remove the background, for that case I'll go with remove the background. So let's go with something like I want to change the briefcase to another element. Okay, so for that I'll simply say in the prompt box that replace the briefcase with the bag shown in the given image and keep everything else as it is. And here I'll just upload the bag image. For that I'll give the bag image in here, which is this one. And now as like the previous one, I'll go with send again. So you can see that's the generated new video in here. Let me show you the video. So basically this guy is kind of like working with this briefcase, and now I edited to a video where I added the bag. So you can see everything same, but only the bag changed. Awesome, right? So you can actually edit any element in your videos. In that case, you don't need to be a super expert video editor. You only have to use these kind of plugins to do that. And I think that's a huge benefit, especially for video editors. Again, if you're related with video editing, you can understand that these kind of features will help you a lot to edit videos, and also it will save you tons of time and tons of money also. So the things like these kind of things are not free. It will obviously cost you some money. And if you go to higgsfield.ai/pricing, you can know more about the cost. Like you'll get the idea how much it will cost you to edit videos, to upscale videos, or to generate videos. So yeah, that's the whole thing I want to share with you. I hope that this video helped you. If yes, then please drop a like and feel free to share your thoughts on the comment box. I'll be very happy to read your comments. And if you're really interested to learn more about AI, then you can join my private school community, the Hello AI. Inside there, you'll get premium level lessons on Cloud AI, Make.com, N8N, or Higgsfield. And also there are like so many other lessons for different AI tools. And without these lessons, also you'll get access to the ready-made templates so that you can use those instantly on your own workflows. And also we do live session call every week where you can join and ask me anything there. And while learning inside this community, if you're stuck anywhere, you can directly contact with me through the DMs. So if you're really interested to join in this community, the link will be in the description. Join now. And as like always, see you with a new video. Till then, peace.